Alright, we're trying to jump Sam's car.
Yes. And using my jumper cables.
We just figured out that positive is red. Thank you. Thank you, Sam.
So they say.
So says my batteries.
I'm telling her not to put them together. So this should be like an instructional video. Okay, here we go. To jump start a car, you put the red on the positive, the black on the negative. Here, don't let these touch. You'll die.
And I'm holding Brittany's hood up.
This is Alejandrea. And she's holding my hood up because my car will...
Hit the button. Are you hitting the button?
No,
okay.
Sorry. My car will not hold itself up, so this is a 3-woman crowd.
Alright, red first and black first. I can never remember.
Red first.
That sounds like me. Wait, should we start with the negative?
Oh my god.
So let's start with positive since it's more powerful.
Oh my god.
I think it doesn't matter. I think you just put it on, just not at the same time. Don't let them touch.
Or you'll die, right, Brittany?
Connect red booster
Red
cable.
first.
Connect red. Oh shit. Brittany,
What?
take off the black one.
And now you connect the red one to that one, right?
Uh-huh.
No, because
Yes?
I have to let this turn on.
No.
That's what the directions say.
Oh, bless. Hold on.
My arm is hurting.
Red to red, red to red.
When does it say to start the car?
Not yet.
What does it say? Start the
I
car.
do believe this box is old.
But I don't.
The directions are still accurate.
Exactly. Directions don't change.
Now connect the black cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Go, Brittany.
So connect black.
Connect the black one.
Good thing we opened the box because we'd all be dead.
You know what it says? Or you'll die.
Step 4. Connect other black clamp to engine block or frame of the stalled vehicle.
That's your vehicle.
Okay. So just make sure.
This is the frame, right?
No.
Yeah, that's a frame. You said frame, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the frame of the car.
Yes.
Wait, what does the direction say?
I don't know.
Oh,
Wait.
video time. Oh, videotape it.
Oh. You can't read it. Wait.
Just connect other black clamp
To engine block or frame of stalled vehicle. Do not attach a booster cable to the ground terminal of the run-down battery, as this may cause sparks, resulting in a possible explosion.
And death. And death. I told you to die. Okay, so Sam, you just hold it. Just hold it.
Oh, hell no.
If it touches the metal, then
It's
it'll
got to be connected to the frame of the vehicle.
You either connect it to the frame or connect it to the other part. I'm going to go with the other part.
Sam, man.
How about this piece sticking out right here? Does this look...
Yeah, that piece right there.
No, it says don't.
Connect it with the metal?
No,
It says,
you connect it with the metal.
do not
it'll make a
attach
connection.
booster cable to the ground terminal of the rundown battery, as this may cause sparks.
So just put it on the frame.
This is the frame,
We're
right?
gonna
Not the body? This is the bottom.
We're gonna die. What I say is someone holds it.
It's supposed to be grounded, otherwise there's nowhere for the electricity to go.
No, it's not supposed to be grounded yet.
It's not supposed to be grounded to the battery.
We're gonna die.
It hasn't been turned on yet.
Well, exactly, it hasn't been turned on yet.
Alright.
Your car's gonna explode. Oh my gosh. Here.
If it does, my place is at work.
If my car explodes, I'm
Here. Okay.
It kills you with
Look, and you're putting me? Why am I holding it? I'm going to die. It's put between. She's moving between the explosions. I don't think that's correct.
Can we ask them, please?
Yes, gentlemen. Look at this. Alejandrea will explode as the car travels this way.
Turn it on.
It is.
Oh, we have to turn on Brittany's car first. It says turn on the dead car first.
So turn it on.
Good. Go ahead. You get to light a fire.
I'll hold this. You go inside. Passenger door is open. It's heavy. I got it. Passenger door.
Wait, don't let them touch.
We're not turning it up.
They're touching.
The copper part.
Or you will die. Or you will die.
It's the spare key.
Wait, let me back up.
Oh, fuck you. Where's the key? And there's the button.
If we die, I just want to tell my family that I love you and...
The square one?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm prepared to run.
I am too. Is it on?
Battery's on.
Battery's on or the car's on?
The car's on. You can't crank it. No, say you're not supposed to. Listen to the song.
Fly like an eagle.
Alright, now read instructions.
Okay. Start vehicle. Do not crank engine for long periods of time. 10 seconds of cranking should be followed by 20 seconds of cool down. Follow this procedure. Following this procedure will wear and tear on your starter, motor, and battery cables.
So we have to let this charge for a few minutes before we can start messing out with it. Oh my god.
Don't let them touch you, you will die. That is exactly right.
Thank you for reading the directions so Alejandra would not die.
Yo, seriously?
Yeah, you guys, if we would have listened to me, we would have hooked this up and that would have exploded. You'd be like,
I would have been performing tonight, that's for sure.
oh, that's funny.
No more listening
I'm just interested to see what's going to happen when you take it off the car. I'm surprised. I wonder if you touch the car. Will it shock you?
I wouldn't.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Touch it.
Oh my god, Brittany.
You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
You know what? You have a little...
You have a hole in your shirt.
No, see, that's the zipper.
I don't understand.
You put a zipper there so that way you don't sweat or you can air out.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
No zipper for me.
This is a really nice ski jacket, or at least it used to be.
They have them in Europe all the time with the zippers there, or little mesh things, so that way you can air out your armpit.
Do it again.
You have to air out your armpit.
All right. Do I
crank
it now?
No.
Do I crank it or you crank it?
Doesn't matter.
No. Do you crank it or do I crank first?
She cranks it.
You don't need to crank your car.
Yeah. Let's see. It says start vehicle with rundown battery. Do not crank engine.
You have a puzzled look.
I'm puzzled. It says 10 seconds of cranking, 20 seconds of cool down. How long is a long period
I
of time?
don't think any of us know what we're doing.
Hey, that's my Papa John's pizza.
Papa John's. Is that yours?
Papa John?
Yes, I ordered Papa John's.
Ask our new friend if he knows.
And you want it.
Papa John's.
Hey, my car could be in worse shape. Look at that thing.
That's true.
That's so sad.
There's several
All right.
beat up cars in this parking lot.
All right, so you think I should crank it now? I think it's worth a shot.
Go ahead.
Okay, here, you know, hold the camera.
No, not you, Brittany. You don't crank.
Oh. Hi. Alejandra, is this yours?
Hi. Yeah, that's my pizza, but boyfriend is in the apartment. I don't have the money on me. Thank you.
Hold on, let me back up. Come on, get in. We did it. Woo! Finally did.
Okay. To remove cables, reverse the hookup order.
Take the ground off first.
So let them touch or you will die.